Namaste students, myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Mythology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class. Amid first semester, we will discuss the topic interaction in the process of education between contents and pedagogy. Contents analysis, it is a research tools or technique that help to analyze the actual contents, and it is used to determine the presence of certain words, concepts, themes, phrases and characters within texts or sets of texts, and to quantify this presence in an objective manner. By systematically evaluating test, qualitative data can be converted into quantitative data. Why do a content analysis? You have to know what you have before you start doing something with it to better service your customers. The process of a content analysis, according to Dr. Close, 6 questions must be addressed in every contents analysis. Firstly, which data are analyzed? Second questions, how are they defined? Next, what is the population from which they are drawn? And next, what is the contents relative to which the data are analyzed, and what is the boundaries of the analysis, and what is the target of the interference. Steps of contents analysis. Firstly, copy and read through the transcripts. Make brief notes in the margin when interesting or relevant information is found. Go through the notes made in the margin and list the different types of information found. Next, read through the list and categorize each items in a way that offers a description of what is about, and compare and contrast the various major and minor categories. Pedagogical analysis introduction. The word pedagogy comes from the Greek word pedagogos, in which peda means child and agog means leads, literally and translates to lead the child. Pedagogy is the science and arts of education, especially instructional theory. It is a master plan that includes a detailed analysis of what is to be done by teacher. Analysis is the process of breaking or separating a thing into a smaller parts elements. We can break the contents of the course each a subject into a various constituents, major and minor sections, subsections, units and subunits, major concepts and minor concepts, topic, etc. by carrying out a process of contents analysis. The analysis of a given contents materials in any subjects, any topics carried out well in the spirit of science of teaching is known by the term pedagogical analysis of the contents. Steps of pedagogical analysis divides the contents of the select units into suitable subunits and arrange the select subunits into a number of required periods. Second, briefly write the essence of the contents of the selected subunits and write appropriate previous knowledge required for the subunits and write appropriate instructional objectives to the selected for the subunits. and give suitable examples, instructions for the subunits, and prepare a table of specification for the subunits. Write at least 6 criteria reference test items, each with specific criteria of the subunits. Needs of pedagogical analysis. Pedagogical analysis is selection of appropriate objectives and strategies in various instruction situations to assess the level of actual teaching at the end. Second point, to a comprehensive vision of required task, strategies for realizations of specific goal facilitates effective teachings. So pedagogical analysis offers enormous potential for improving the delivery of information in all forms of education. And next needs, it involves various logical steps to arrive at logical inference, and it also help the student to understand the concept, principles, and phenomena. Thank you.